This house presents a refined, tropical modern character, where clean geometric roof lines are softened by warm natural materials and a relaxed garden setting. The composition of overlapping gable forms gives the facade depth and rhythm, while the broad eaves help shade the glazing and strengthen the horizontal calm of the design. What makes the project especially successful is the way indoor and outdoor living are connected through the raised timber deck, large sliding openings, and low, carefully layered landscaping. The layout feels open and calm, with full-height glazing drawing the garden into the living spaces and allowing the furniture arrangement to stay light, clean, and visually connected to the outdoors. A restrained palette of warm browns, sandy neutrals, charcoal surfaces, and woven textures gives the home a grounded, relaxed atmosphere while still feeling refined. Particularly striking are the stone feature walls, floating timber cabinetry, layered ambient lighting, and handcrafted elements such as the pendant lights and vessel sink, which add character without overwhelming the simplicity of the design. This house presents a refined, tropical modern language where pitched roof volumes are paired with a low, flat-roofed wing to create a composition that feels both grounded and contemporary. The massing is carefully broken into separate pavilion-like forms, linked by a narrow landscaped courtyard that brings light, airflow, and a strong sense of indoor-outdoor living into the center of the plan. rather than relying on size alone. This home builds its identity through a calm tropical composition of pitched roofs, deep overhangs, volcanic stone walls, bamboo-textured cladding, and richly toned timber decking. The architecture is organized as a series of connected volumes around planted outdoor courts, so the house feels open, breathable, and closely tied to the landscape, while the green roof and solar panels add a quiet layer of environmental intelligence. Inside, the palette continues with warm wood joinery, woven lighting, textured natural fabrics, and dark stone accents, creating a relaxed resort atmosphere with a very disciplined material language. Large sliding glass openings, custom built-ins, and seamless transitions between rooms and terraces make the interior feel both intimate and expansive at the same time.